Okay, you guys, I'm gonna start off with some chow mein. I'm gonna do it with this stuff I just boiled from here. You're gonna chop up some carrots, bell peppers, onions. That's purple cabbage, red cabbage, whichever one you like. You're gonna get some steak meat. I'm gonna do beef lo mein actually. All you're gonna do is just put some baking soda in there. If you don't have that, use baking powder and some cornstarch just to thicken it up, salt and pepper, and some soy sauce. And oyster sauce. If you don't have oyster sauce, just use steak sauce. And kind of just let it marinate. The baking soda, baking powder is gonna make it real tender. See how tender it is? Ready to go. And then you're just gonna get your oil and throw it in there. Now you're just gonna add the meat, add your vegetables. They're gonna cook down. I say put it in there at the same time because this meat's gonna cook really fast. You want the fire up real high. You're just gonna cook it down, okay? I'm gonna add some more seasonings, feel free. It's cooking, smelling good. Doesn't take long, you guys. Just a few more minutes. I'm gonna add a little bit more soy sauce. I like mine soy sauce. I'm gonna add a little bit of more steak sauce. I don't have any oyster sauce. I'm gonna add a ton of garlic paste, some ginger powder, just a little bit. I don't have any regular ginger, and garlic powder. Just gonna mix it up a little bit more. See how thick it's getting? It's like a thick consistency. That's what you want. So that chow mein can stick to it. Don't rinse off your chow mein. That starch is gonna make it thicken. Perfect. Time to add, right, you guys. Time to add the noodles. Just gonna boil them for like 15 minutes. Set them in a strainer. You're not rinsing. And I use sirloin steak. Cut it up and season it and set it to the side for a minute. Okay, you guys. There you got it. Beef lo mein done in 15 minutes. You got your cabbage, onions, a bunch of stuff, carrots, whatever you want to add. It's done, okay? Beef lo mein. Yummy.